Hi sisters! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you my vlogging setup. In this video, I'll be covering up the tripod, the mic, and the smart clamp that I use for when I'm vlogging outside. I will also show you how I use it and the difference between when you have no mic and when you have a mic. And I'll show you also how to use the tripod and how to assemble it all together so that you will have an idea and you can start your vlogging channel. And also I will show you the price and where did I bought it, and I will also try using it so that you will have an idea. So before anything else, let's get started. So guys, I apologize if you will hear sounds like chicken, dogs, and even birds. No, we have no farm here, but my food draw has a lot of chicken and dogs. And there are a lot of birds everywhere. So I apologize for that. But this video is very nice. And so sisters, the first item in the setup is this smart clamp from Manfrotto. It looks like this. This is very sturdy. I love this one. This smart clamp costs 700 pesos or $14, but during the time that I bought it, it was sale for 14%, so I just bought it for 490 pesos or $10. So it looks like this. This is the Manfrotto smart clamp. Touch and hold this. This feels and this looks very sturdy. I love this one. The next product is the tripod. So this is the Manfrotto tripod. So this is very sturdy as well. I have another tripod from CDR King, and boy, that almost broke my phone. That item is not sturdy. This one is really sturdy. I love the feel of this. And this is called the Pixie Mini tripod from Manfrotto. This tripod costs 1,130 pesos or $38, but during the time that I bought it, it was sale for 33%, so I just bought it for 1,290 or $26. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, this tripod, you can spread this so that you can just put it in a table or something when you're filming. And also you can press this so that you can move this one. So the next item is the mic. The mic that I use is by the brand Boya. It's called Boya BYMM1. This is the mic, this is the holder, this is the dead cat that cancels an unnecessary noise, and this is the mic connector for a smartphone. And it has, this is the small bag from the product. You can put all the stuff here and you can just throw it in your bag. It's very convenient. I love this. This is all of the products that I use when I'm vlogging outside. This vlogging setup is under $60 or 3,000 pesos. This setup is very affordable and very decent because I've already tested these products. I've already tried it. I've already tried vlogging with it and it's perfect. So sisters, I'll be showing you a short video montage of the products that I've mentioned, the mic, the tripod, the smart clamp, so that you will be able to have an idea of what it looks like when I bought it. sisters, I will show you how to assemble it. First, you get your tripod. You attach the smart clamp. Check if it's super intact so that your phone or your smartphone will not fall. Put together the mic and the holder. Oh gosh, this is hard. Oh gosh, oh gosh. It will look like this. Guys, by the way, this is called the shotgun mic. So next, you'll put the dead cat in the mic so that it will look like this. This is pretty dope, right? It's cute. You attach the shotgun mic to the smart clamp. Like this. And you will lock it. It will look like this. When you buy this smart clamp, it will not go with this shoe holder or shoe mount. I bought this in Lazada for 151 pesos. I will also link this in the description so you will be able to get one. Put the connector, so there. So your smartphone, so it's set up and it will look like this. This setup is sick. Now guys, tell me that it's not. Tell me. So sisters, I'm using the setup right now. So the clamp that I bought from Manfrotto and the cold shoe mount that I bought from Lazada, I just put them together using a mighty bond so that they will stick together. The clamp will hold securely the cold shoe mount and the cold shoe mount will hold securely the mic. Now that it's set up, I will now show you how I use it. So in 3, 2, 1. Hi sisters, I'm just testing the Boya MM1 mic. So this is the footage where I use the mic. So there. Hi. Now this is the footage where I don't use the mic. So I hope you can see the difference. Hi sisters, so I'm just outside the house. So I'm testing out the Boya MM1 mic. This is without the mic. So, can you see the difference? Comment down below. So, have you noticed the difference? Why do you need the mic? The mic is very important because this isolates your voice. Do you need the clamp? This will help you hold your phone in place. Why do you need this tripod? It will serve as your selfie stick. You can just put this in the table and just leave it there and film. It's perfect. This is a pretty decent setup. This is under 3,000 pesos or $60. We have a decent setup. Sisters, I hope you like this video and I hope this video will help you start your YouTube career or I give you an idea on how to start one. So sisters, if you like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload my video. Once again, this is Pia saying be kind to one another. Bye sisters!